morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would film a bit of a holiday prep video. Some of the things that I'm doing to get myself in ship shape for my trip. So that includes doing my nails, going and getting all of my waxes done. I actually went and got all of that done yesterday, so I'm going to share some of those clips with you in a bit. But I thought I would start the vlog off with me doing my nails, because this vlog is actually sponsored by MYLEE, which is a at-home LED gel nail system, and it's really affordable and super easy if you don't want to have to go to the salon to do your own gels. So here's my little friend, my little MYLEE Pro gel lamp. Oh, there he goes. I am going to be painting my nails with a nude because when I'm stressed I bite my nails, and I'm not gonna lie to you, my nails aren't looking their best right now, so I just want to do a nice nude colour on them just to make them look a little bit neater. So I thought I'd show you how I do it at home for you guys today. If you want to get 20% off of this system, you can use my code. It's MYLEEXEmma. I'll put it on the screen, and you can get 20% off your order, which is a really good deal, especially if you're someone who spends a fortune going to get your nails done at the salon. So before you apply any polish, you want to prep your nails first. So I'm going to take the MYLEE lint-free wipe. Obviously if you already had gel polish left on, you would use the gel remover, but I do not, so I'm just going to go straight in with the prep. This is the nail prep and polish wipe. It helps prevent any fungus, any bacteria, and it also just helps your gels stay on a little bit longer, so prep is key. So I just run a little bit of this over each nail. And now you're ready to apply. So if you've had gels done before, then you know that you need a base coat, a top coat, and then obviously whichever colour you want. So I'm going to start with my base coat. The colour that I'm going to use is Caramel. It's a lovely kind of deep nude. Such a gorgeous colour, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to start with the base coat, and you guys know the drill. Just apply a nice thin layer. Then you want to head over to the MYLEE Pro. On the back here you can choose the time settings, so I am going to do 30 seconds, and then you're going to want to cure your nails. I'm going to use the colour Caramel, but this is also an amazing shade. This is Brighten Up. It's like a neon orange coral pink. Let's go in with Caramel. Oh my god, it's such a lovely nude. It's not too light either. It's kind of a warm, medium, like peachy nude. So this is going to look so good with a tan. Okay, time to cure them. I'm going to do it for 30 seconds per hand. So here's how we're looking so far. I think I am going to do a little bit of Brighten Up because we're going to see Parcels tonight, and they've got a song called Lighten Up, and I feel like it's appropriate. Brighten Up. So I'm going to do it on my ring finger. This colour can layer on top of other colours because, as you can see, it's quite a sheer colour. We're on the final stages, guys. You now just want to seal the deal with the MYLEE top coat. So it's just a clear top coat, and again, you just want to go in with a thin layer. Okay, now my nails are painted and cured. The final stage is to wipe away any of the sticky residue. So to do that, you use the product that you prep your nails with. It's a 2-in-1 product, so it skips a step, which is great. This is the nail prep and polish wipe, and you just want to wipe away any of that stickiness, and it also adds a really lovely shine. And there we have it, voila. But for a nail novice like me, this is so easy, anyone can use it, and it saves you having to go out to the salon. You can get salon ready nails in the comfort of your own home. Hi guys, it's me from the future. I thought I would also give you a little demo of me doing a little bit more of like a fun nail look, because it's Tim's graduation on Tuesday, so I want to do my nails a little bit fun. Thought I would share that with you. So all the steps are going to be the same. I'm going to start with the nail prep and polish wipe, and then I'm going to use the same colors again. I'm going to use caramel and brighten up, and I'm going to do like a little negative space effect hopefully on my nails. So I thought I would just show you that, just prepping my nails. And now I'm going in with the base coat. Base coat is cured. I'm now going to take caramel and I'm going to paint this over my whole nail. I'm now gonna go with brighten up, and I'm gonna take a little fine brush, and I think I just want to do like a line in the middle of each nail. I just did the top coat and finished them off with the nail wipe, and look how cool they look. This is also how my nails are gonna look whilst traveling. So, and I think that this pink is actually UV, like it glows under UV. It was like neon glowing in the dark under the lamp. So I think that when I'm raving and misbehaving in Colombia, my nails might glow. Love a novelty me. I am the worst at nails, so I just think that's such a little fun way of doing something a little bit different that is so easy. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that as well. I'll leave you with Emma from the past. Thanks. Thank you, MYLEE, for sponsoring this section of the video. On to yesterday when I went for my waxes. Morning, everybody. It is 7 AM. It is, I think, Wednesday, and it is a week until I leave for Colombia. So today is a prep day, and I thought I would vlog it because it's a fun prep day. It's a beauty prep day. I am heading to the beauticians. I'm getting everything waxed. I'm getting an LVL, I'm getting my lashes tinted, I'm getting my brows tinted. I'm basically treating myself to a full day of pampering. I'm also going to the gym so that everything is ship shape for my trip. This is the last chance I'm gonna get to look glam, because I know for a fact I'm not gonna look glamorous when I'm away in the Peruvian mountains. So I thought I would just vlog today and show you guys what I'm getting up to. The first thing to do today is caffeinate. I literally just rolled out of bed, feeling a little bit drowsy and spacey. So things are starting to feel super, super, super real now. I've got my rucksack, I've got my hiking boots, I've got my filtered water bottle. Ah, it's crazy. As much as today is a lovely pampery day, it needs to be a productive day. I look terrible. I've got my black coffee. I'm just doing the final watch through of my first edit of the day, and it isn't even 9 AM yet. This is why I've been loving getting up super early recently. I don't know whether I've already uploaded my morning routine. All of these videos are going up when I'm away, so the chronology of them is a little bit off. But when you see my morning routine, you see that this is probably my most productive time of day, and it's fueled by black coffee. Video 2 edited. Yes, it is now 13 minutes past 10 and I need to leave my house at 1:15 to get to the gym, so I need to get changed fast.
A pretty picture for the ones that
tired. My glutes are still burning from a couple of days ago, so every movement hurt. I only have 2 more sessions left with Monica and I'm actually really sad about it. Also, I've kind of messed myself up. I was supposed to be getting an LVL today and a lash and brow tint, but I am not today because I didn't get a patch test. So I'm gonna go and get my waxes done today, and then I'll probably do a part 2 to this video and I'll go get my LVL and my tints done. Showered, hair is washed, gave myself a good old scrub because I'm about to have a very intimate situation with a stranger. My favourite. Now I'm just waiting on Laura. Let me put on some deodorant. We're going in. Wish me luck. I realised I ended the vlog of me being waxed, so I thought I'd end it a little bit more presentable. I'm about to go to parcels. My nails are ready. I've linked MYLEE down below, all of the products I've used, so make sure to check them out if you're interested in getting your own at home LED lamp.